What is up, YouTube? My name is Cooper Salvoni. My wrist is sprained. I'm sick, and welcome back to another Safari Builds video. In today's video, we're going to be tinting the good old headlights. As you can see, one is definitely darker than this one, and the other one's already tinted because I did that last night, and this one was the first one I did, and obviously it's sucked. So we're going to retint it. I'm going to give you step by step because I kind of realized last night, oh, maybe like they'd actually be interested in learning like how to do it themselves, you know? So we're going to get right into it. Camera angles. What? Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take your spray, Freaky Out spray, and your Freaky Out towel, and you're just going to Diddy party it up. And once you're clean, done scrubbing the bubbling. Oh! Never mind. I thought I forgot something. Once you're clean, you're going to want to grab your wrap, measure it out. Luckily, I already have a piece from last night that was measured out to pretty much the place I want. It could probably be half of one shorter. So I'm going to cut that. So now we're going to take this wrap, line it up. Yikes. I hope that's enough. Okay, so now look at this. And it's kind of, oh my gosh, it's kind of just like freaky, you know? You just go piece by piece. Take your time. Battery's about to die as well. And just kind of start wrapping, you know? Make sure it's good on all sides. And you kind of just like start with one place, you know? We're going to grab the heat gun. I'll be right back, folks. Okay, we got the hairdryer 9000. We're going to just heat up this side over here. So that's kind of where I'd be wanting to start. And you kind of just like stretch it, you know? I kind of like to push it around a little bit before I really get into it, you know? But if you do make little crinkles, pull it off and put the heat on, you know? That's something I had no clue you could do yesterday. And so I just like wasn't doing it. So now we're going to do this side. Heat it up. You might notice it's a little messed up, and that's just going to go away. And then you kind of just stretch it, you know? See, I messed up a little there. So we're just going to go over it now. That's pretty good. I'm going to work out some of the edges and then show you guys the final product. I'll be right back. Okay, so if you have the luxury of being able to pull out the headlight, go for it, you know? If you're just going to get down into these little cracks and do the final touches, it's one of my favorite ways to finish it. went a little bit short here, but that's okay. It's just the headlight. And yeah, that's kind of it. We're gonna cut it now, and then that'll be it. Still not fully understanding how to cut these. So I've kind of just been cutting whatever ways I've been feeling like, you know. You don't want to cut it too short, that's for sure. Cutting it too short is the reason I redid this one, but honestly, maybe you do, so that you can redo it and learn the second time. There we go. There's our final product. There's a little piece hanging out that's bugging me, so we'll just tuck it in. That's the final product there, folks. I want to show a more step-by-step guide, but yeah, it's pretty solid. I think it looks very, very good. Yeah, I like to warn you, it's about to get insane. Like, the energy is going to go from nice Bob Ross to, like, some crazy people. Because you're about to see what I did last night, and it's going to be the most out-of-pocket stuff you've ever seen. Thank you for watching this half of the video, the more educational half. Have a nice rest of the video. Peace out, Girl Scout. If you're an OG, you know what that means. If you live in the dorms, and you're the person I said that to, you're an OG, you know. Yeah, peace out, Girl Scout.
Are you laughing my ass
It's
off?
2 in the morning right now, chat, and we've only got half a headlight done.
It is 8 o'clock in the afternoon.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy, Cooper Salvoni, also known as Thunder Chicken! I'm sick and I have a sprained arm, so you know what that means. It's time to attempt to wrap the headlights. Woo, yeah, baby! If you can't tell, it's a school night. Oh, my wrist! It's a school night, so we're gonna crank out some stuff because who doesn't like doing homework on a school night? This kid. Yep. Yep. Whose school career is going in a spiraling down pattern? This kid. Who learned that word from geometry? This kid. Now, Squire, if I must. This is a freaky Volvo. I'm gonna move you back so you can see it, everything. You might be asking yourself, oh, like, really big trend is ordering not enough headlight tin. 1 roll. Man, we got enough to cover a baby. 2 rolls. And you guessed it, that's all I got. That is my cat in the background, also known as my brother. So we're gonna get right into this thing. I don't know if you've ever seen a window tint video like this, but oh my goodness, like, the amount of positive feedback I'm gonna get from this video is like, you need to quit YouTube. Don't do this anymore. Please stop posting. That's what we're gonna be hearing after this video. So let's get right into it with a sick transition. Quite literally sick. Now you guessed it, folks. What are we gonna be doing? Opening the hood. Now once you open the hood of this mighty fine engine, you're gonna be asking yourself, Cooper, how do you get the headlights to rearrange so that you can properly wrap them? You kind of just grip and rip. Some of the headlights pop out and they end up breaking. There is a thing in here that you can push down. I'm not going to show you because I don't feel like sticking the camera in there right now. So with this one's broken, so you just push that thing. See, it's just as easy as that, folks. So next thing you're going to do is grab the good old ghosty woasty. Get all freaky. Hold on, folks, I got to pause you. Garage door about to open in 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1. So we're just going to kind of get right into it, you know. You always want to go out, because when you don't, I don't know what happens, but I've had some bad luck in the past. The thing with this stuff is, folks, it's tricky when it comes down to here because the headlights change. So then we just kind of crinkle cut, you know? Look for the imperfections. There's a lot of them. Oh, heck no. And you kind of just keep the dropping out. Okay. And normally you have to pull it off, but yeah. I just want to test something. And you kind of just like pull it in every direction to get all the little things out. And it kind of just like does it itself, you know? Look at this thing, folks. Looks pretty good in my opinion. Now we gotta get these big boy ones and crank those out for you. Alrighty, folks, so I managed to amp up the power. I'm gonna light the house on fire somehow, you know, do what we always do. It's currently 12 in the morning.
It is 9 o'clock at night.
It's 9 o'clock, which feels like 12 for me because I'm from the East Coast. Born and raised in South Indiana. Sweet. Headlight has been spritzy ritzy. And it's time to get jiggy with it. I'm kind of just gonna do the good old goofy good. This part's gonna be covered, so we're chilling over here. I just really want to get these to look good, you know. I probably shouldn't be doing all that in case something like that happens. So we can probably smooth it out. Once all this freaky stuff starts going down, that's when we pull out the hair dryer. Oh, my knees. I mean, that's pretty much the headlight tint video. And tint the other one. If I have anything important to say, I'll get back to you. But if not, I got tint all over my feet. And I don't know, that's like today's video. I mean, overall, the headlights, they look good. And I'm quite sure they're still bright. I mean, yeah, they look pretty fine. They look so foggy, but they actually like aren't that foggy. But yeah, it's time to get, yeah, I don't know. Leave me some comments. I'm feeling lonely over here. You know how it is. It's freaky all the time. Big truck out. Wait, what?